Here's a quick overview and a test to see if these can make a desert yard look pretty. So our yard we live in the desert, we're in Nevada, and everything that we plant out here just doesn't survive. We're limited on how much we can water and all that stuff. So we're trying to make the yard, which this is what it looks like right now. We just had a bunch of weeds pulled and some old trees cut down. And we got a whole bunch of these, and we're going to put these all throughout the yard and see how it looks at the end. So that's what I'm going to show you at the end. But for now, let me show you what we got. We already had a couple different light up fixtures that we're going to have out there, but these are the new ones. So these come in different colors. And the way this works, so let me turn my light down so you can kind of see. It's solar powered, which is great. And when you turn this on and you cover this up, these will light up. And I think that looks really cool, especially at nighttime. This one is like flowers with honeybees dancing around. So let's see if we can turn this on, cover that up. You can see even the bees light up, the flowers light up really nicely. And we've had these in the past, and I love these things. Over time, the wire on ours had become rusty, so I just wanted to get some new ones. So we got some new ones of these, and let's test this out. And that's how that looks. With these, you can twist these into all different shapes. You can make it look like a heart. You can make it look like a corkscrew. We kind of just make it look like, like a firework, which looks really cool. So all of these are easy to install. All you got to do is, the first thing you're going to do is remove this sticker. All of them have this little protective coating on there. You want to make sure that it's switched to the on button, otherwise it won't work. And then you're going to take these spikes and you're going to get a mallet and you're going to tap this into the ground, and these simply stack on top, and there's your flower. So also, these two can be shaped. And this is kind of an important note, that you don't want to bend it like at a 90 degree. You kind of want to roll it and bend that wire so that it looks more natural. And I'm going to do that with all of ours. And you'll see we have quite a few of these. Also, by the way, you want to angle these so they get as much sun as possible throughout the day. And then I'm going to show you how it looks at night, all lit up. But I love the way these make the yard look. I think they're fun. I love having automatic lights. I love using solar, so you don't have to worry about the batteries all the time. These things are fantastic, and I highly recommend them. If you'd like to grab any of these little lights, there are links in the description below. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Please hit like on this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.